You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? So let's answer this question once and for all. How do you pronounce this? That's used in standardization, but it's also used in photography. And this is actually related because I believe this International Organization for Standardization came up with the ISO in photography as well. So either ISO, not ESO, ISO or ISO. ISO or ISO. That's your short answer, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.